I am going to talk about the exhibitions in the community virtual library that several wonderful colleagues and I have developed a dynamic exhibition about the multiple social determinants that impede equal access to information to every human being. The exhibit exposes social issues of different minority groups or global problems like the war. Each season, our exhibition has something new to offer. We have worked with summer solstice, rituals, and history with festivals like Mardi Gras and Halloween, which I love, and the beauty of wintertime. Each of these exhibits we include an event that we read aloud together, a short story related to the season or festival. This year, our winter exhibition has the theme of Christmas around the world and our traditional Christmas tree lighting ceremony. We are excited and hoping to see you all there when we do it. That's all for me.